Hi, I'm Rich Free, CEO of the RG Group. I'm here today to talk about our manufacturing services. But before I do, I'd be remiss if I didn't talk about the origin of our manufacturing services. And that begins right here. This is our distribution center, where for over 60 years, we have represented some of the great global brands. And those include Parker Hannifin, Enerpac, CPC, Ballard, and scores of others. But today, I really want to talk about our manufacturing services. This is our traditional hydraulic side of the business. And in this side of the business, we do everything from sub-assemblies to final assemblies, installation, commissioning, and many, many other services, including repairs. So this side of the business is about 22,000 square feet. We have overhead cranes that run the length of the building, which gives us the advantage that we can have either a series of small systems built in any of these areas or huge systems built within the area. So what's unique about our structure and the way we're configured is that there's not work cells. What you have is 20,000 square feet of flexible workspace. And what we do is we move the work into a particular area, and then we have our technicians come in and apply the labor and the testing and engineering to those devices. We have a automated paint booth here in which we have climate control. We also have a wide variety of hydraulic systems, some of which you see on the floor here, including cylinder and manifold assemblies. And as we walk around today, I'll show you some of the other things that we get involved in on a regular basis. But I'd like you to think about not only the building that we're in, but the people that are here as well. So one of the strengths of the organization is our technical expertise. And we have a variety of mechanical and hydraulic engineers, as well as many, many technicians that have multitudes of years of experience. So once again, there's a lot of times that you really need both expertise in engineering and the technical ability to put something together to make sure it works right the first time and every time. So as we walk through the building, you'll begin to see the way we structure jobs. Jobs come in, they're assigned a number, they're assigned a folder that travels with them throughout the job. We're ISO certified 9001, and we build everything from frames to small hydraulic systems to larger hydraulic systems. You'll see a little bit of that as we walk through the building. In many cases, we're designing from scratch. In some cases, we build to what the customer specifies. Either way is fine with us. And as we walk through here, you'll see examples of mid-sized power units. You'll see control panels, and you'll see some very large power units that we're in the process of refurbing and refinishing. So if you think about our business, think about a couple of key things: flexibility, technical expertise, and most of all, a real desire to improve your performance and our ability to help you drive your business successfully. Thanks very much. If there's any questions that you have, please feel free to reach out. We can't wait to help you with your project.